please come forward? Okay. My name is Justin. And your name is?
Rick.
Rick? Rick. What's your surname?
Van Leer.
Oh, from?
Which time? I was born in the Netherlands and lived in the United States.
Which state of the United States of America?
First California, then New Hampshire, and the last 7 years in Florida.
Is your wife around? Where is she? Oh, kanamin sa inyo magpiling sa mga Pilipino. Why do you like Filipina? Why?
Why? Because she's terrific.
Wow! Terrific in what way?
Every way.
Okay. How's your stay in Victoria?
We live here, so I love it.
For good.
We're good.
Okay, so what's your work before?
Alas, parang kita na ko sa ano, sa page.
What's the name of the phone
Totoo,
company?
picture na video dito.
I started out at AT&T, and then I went to Pacific Bell. Then it was 9X, and I was a manager for 5 different states and New England.
So what do you like most about Victoria City?
I just love the climate. I mean, that's what like Florida was like.
Don't you like our sweet smile?
Your smiles are terrific.
Oh, can I give you a hug? Oh. Thank you, nice meeting you. Okay, bye. Okay. Partner.